Hello everyone! In this video, we'll look at how QuickBooks Online users can check the arrival of goods using a mobile device equipped with Warehouse 15 software. We will consider the following case. In QuickBooks Online, we place a purchase order. Then when the goods ordered have been delivered, we verify it on a mobile device and then upload the results of our check back to QuickBooks Online as a bill. I want to add that you can also choose not to create a purchase order in QuickBooks Online in advance, and instead create a new bill directly on the device and scan your delivery into it. However, in doing so, you won't see the expected delivery items and their quantities in the mobile app interface. So let's get started. First, we'll create a purchase order. To do this, we need to go to Expenses and click on the button to create a new purchase order. Let's select a supplier. And let's fill the order with items. I need name badges, 12 pieces in total. And water bottles, 6 pieces in total. Save and close. Purchase order No. 1011 has been created. Now, let's imagine that the delivery has already arrived and we need to check it. On the right side of the screen, you can see the interface of the Warehouse 15 mobile application. And on the left side of the screen, I will be showing you the process of checking the incoming goods. Now in the main menu of Warehouse 15, I will press the Receiving button. We can see our created purchase order No. 1011 first on the list. Let's open it. We see the same items in the list that we entered in QuickBooks Online, in the same quantities. Let's start scanning. First, I'll scan the name badges. We've scanned 6 pieces, and I see that we don't have any more name badges. But instead of those, we received guest books. Apparently, it's a mistake. The program warns us that an unexpected item has been accepted, but it still allows us to accept it because we need to document errors during this process. You can scan once, manually count the items, and enter the quantity in the input field. We still need to accept the water bottles. You may notice that this item doesn't have a barcode. Therefore, I will manually select the item from the list. The list of items opens up, where we can see all the items entered in our QuickBooks Online. And I select the water bottles that I need. We receive 6 water bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have completed the full inspection of our delivery. Let's finish our work and take a look at the results in QuickBooks Online. We exit to the main menu, where, by the way, we can notice that the name of our supply is displayed as reference information. We complete the document. The document has been sent. Let's see what happened in QuickBooks Online. Let's refresh the expenses page. And we can see that a new bill has appeared. Let's open it and take a look. The supply is filled with the same information as in the purchase order. And in the item details, we can see the items that we accepted on the mobile device in Warehouse 15. We also see the exact quantities that actually arrived to us. The user can decide for themselves what to do with the excess items, whether to keep them in the bill or remove them. Let's exit this bill and proceed to make the payment. That's it. We have created a purchase order to the supplier in QuickBooks Online. Then, We verified the product delivery and identified errors using the Warehouse 15 mobile application. Now, we can decide what to do with those errors after uploading the work results to QuickBooks Online as a bill. Controlling the arrival of products is vital for any business, as it directly affects your inventory levels. The mobile solution Warehouse 15, integrated with QuickBooks Online, effectively addresses this challenge. With Warehouse 15, you can effortlessly track and manage your inventory, ensuring accurate stock levels. Thank you and goodbye.